Now we go to your soil orders. So your soil orders, okay, so we have 12. First, we have your Alphisols. Okay, your Alphisols refers to soil with either an argillic B horizon or textural B horizon. Okay, candic or natric horizon with base saturation. Ito dapat yung mamit niya. No? Ito. Base saturation by sum of cations greater than 35%. So, ayan. So, if the base saturation is below 35%, it is not alphisol. Okay? So, your andisol, okay, formed from parent material of volcanic origin. So, ito yung keyword ko kay andisol, no? Volcanic origins. Okay? Soil forms by rapid weathering of volcanic ash, poorly crystallized aluminosilicates. So, andisol are young soils and they have high OM. In dry climates, they can be susceptible to wind erosion and can have unusually low malt density. Okay? So kasi nga magagaan to kasi volcanic origin. So magagaan na materials yung nagamit para ma-form yung andisol. Okay? So aridisol are primarily soils at arid region. Ito naman ang keyword for aridisol. Okay, arid regions. Okay. Occurring in area where there is no water in the soil as long as 90 consecutive days. So when soil temperature is greater than 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is for your aridisol. Now we have your Entisols. So they are young soils, recently developed horizon, and their main characteristic is lack of any diagnostic horizon. Okay? Or in other words, sila yung horizon lang. Pag nagbungkal ka ng soil profile, ang makikita mo lang sa kanila ay itong dalawang to. Yan, A and C. Wala na. Okay, wala nang iba. Okay? So, meron din yan sa Pilipinas. Okay, ito ang wala sa Pilipinas. Okay, Gelisols. Okay, Gelisols, presence of permafrost layer. Okay, permafrost. Automatic, pag may permafrost, that is a Gelisol. Okay, within 100 cm of soil surface, Okay, define this soil class. So, young soil with little profile development, again, cold temperatures and frozen conditions. So, hindi naman yan nangyayari sa Pilipinas, no, yung frozen conditions. So, sa mga Arctic regions, yan, maring may Gelisol doon. Okay? Then histosols, so these are soils with high organic matter. Okay, high organic matter. Sorry. So ganito ka-OA yung organic matter niya. Okay, so masyado malaki. Okay, so nakikita yan sa forest. Okay, histosols are your forest soil. Okay, undisturbed forest, guys. Madami yan, histosol. No? Pero yung mga forest na may park ranger, gano'n, wag na kayo mag-expect na may histosol dyan. Okay. And then Inceptisol, soils with cambic D horizon and with texture finer than loamy fine sand. Okay, so kung si Entisol, siya yung young, si Inceptisol, siya yung dumalaga. Okay, dalaga na. Okay, siya yung merong maliit na part na B horizon. Okay, so that is your Inceptisol. No? Kahit maliit lang, basta may B horizon yon, matic Inceptisol yon. Okay? So, Mollisol typically form under grassland. Yan. So, they are soils with mollic epipedon. Ayan. Keyword na naman. Kasi Mollisol. Mollic epipedon, thick humus-rich surface, high base saturation throughout profile. Okay? Throughout profile. No? Ay, sorry. Okay. Slightly leach and very fertile soil. Okay? Ayan. Oxisol, so again, keyword, oxisol, oxic the horizon. Usually are highly weathered and lacking minerals other than quartz, kaolinite, and seski oxide. So, marami sila nito. Ito ang pinakamadami nila guys, seski oxide. No? Bukod sa oxic horizon, high accumulations of seski oxide. Then next, we have your spodosol, have a spodic horizon naman. Okay? From the word spodo, spodic horizon. So form in humid, cool climates and occur most often in conifer, okay, conifer forest. Okay, so yung mga may mga pine trees, ganun, okay. Form in acid quartz bearing parent material and then low fertility. Okay, so next we have your ultisol. So these are soils with argillic B horizon but with base saturation less than, take note, less than 35%. Sinong horizon na yan? Si Alfisol, okay, ay greater than 35. Okay? Pero pag less than 35 siya, Ultisol. Okay? And then Vertisol, ito yung Vertisol ba yung napunta sa amin? We have Vertisol na nabungkal no during our time sa laboratory. Ano na yung napunta sa amin? Inceptisol, I think Inceptisol ata yung na-classify namin pero wala, share ko lang. So, heavy clays containing swelling and shrinking. Okay, the key here is Montmorillonite. Meron siyang contain na Montmorillonite or smeg type clay. Okay, so the common feature of this soil, another key here is cracking. Meron siyang cracking, but this must be as wide as 1 centimeter. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan niyang ma-meet yung crack. Okay? Must progress as far as 50 centimeter depth. So, ganito dapat kalalim yung crack to qualify as true vertisol. Other noticeable features of vertisol is gilgay and slick inside. So, during our time, no, so nagbungkal kami and then nasa greater I think 10 meters deep na yung nahukay nung kabilang group, and then that is a vertisol. So hanggang I think hanggang 8 meter deep merong crack, no, and then ang pinagawa sa amin ng prof namin, no, i-shoot mo yung piso diyan sa crack. Okay, pag kumasya yung piso, vertisol yun. Okay. So yun, that is how you identify a vertisol, no? So soil order, so the formative element of this soil order is the following. So alfisol, the formative element is alf. Okay? So pag sinabi nating formative element, ito yung nilalagay, no? If we are going to name the soil already. Okay? So hindi lang siya basta alfisol. Okay, makikita niyo mamaya yung mga pangalan. No? Pero for alfisol, alf, andisol, and. Aridisol is not R, okay, it's id, ID. Entisol is N, Gelisol is L, yan. Histosol is East, Inceptisol is Et, Mollisol is Ol or OLL, and then Oxisol is Ox, Spodosol Od, Ultisol Ut, Vertisol Earth. Okay, mamaya malaman nyo yung function ng formative element na yan. Now we go to your soil suborder. Again, your soil suborder can be the moisture regime or the temperature regime of the soil. So the suborder are next categories to the soil order. So are differentiated from each other within soil within order on basis on moisture and temperature regime. So diagnostic, surface horizon, and parent material. Okay, so formative element, okay, if that is Udic moisture regime, okay, so you will have Ud, okay, Ud, okay, or Ud. Ustic moisture regime yung soil mo, ang formative element mo, Ust. Ayan. If you have xeric moisture regime, Xer, Xer. And then for aquic moisture regime, that is Ayan. Aku. Okay? And then, if another case, no, ito hindi siya moisture regime, hindi rin siya temperature regime, but they also consider the presence of humus, no? Okay? So, So, let's have an example here. So, we have ustalf. Okay? So, now, the meaning of this is meron kang ust. Okay? And then you have alf. Your alfisol, your formative element for alfisol is alf. Okay? Therefore, the soil is alfisol. And ang nakita mong next formative element is us. Therefore, it has ustic moisture regime. Okay? So, ustal, the meaning of this name is alfisol under ustic moisture regime. So, ito yung pangalan ng lupa, guys, no? Ustal. Okay? So, the difference here, no? Pag sa scientific name kasi, no? Mema. Okay? Mumordi ka karantya. Anong meaning nun? Okay? Okay. Pag sa soil name, at least yun may meaning at makikita mo yun sa name pa lang. Okay? So pwede mo na, if you see the name, ito yung properties ng soil na yan. Okay? Yun kasi ang difference, no, sa soil name and then scientific name. Next, we have your grade group. So your grade group or suborder are divided into grade groups, okay, on basis of close similarities in the kind, arrangement, and degree of expression on horizon. So close similarities on soil temperature and moisture regime, and similarities in base status. So it can be moisture regime, no? It can be temperature regime, okay? It can be yung unique characteristic sa isang horizon ng profile, okay? So pwedeng ganon. Ayan. It can be also endopedon, okay? Yeah. So formative element, yan. So we have here example, if it is splint type, okay? The formative element is splint. If the moisture regime is cryic, no, cry din. Okay? So ganun din sa kung yung temperature regime ay gagawing suborder, no, cry din 'yon, no? So duripan, natric or natric horizon. So example, you have here plintaqualf. Okay? So you have three formative elements here. Plint, aku, and alf. No? So yan. So plintite plus aquatic moisture regime plus alfisol. Meaning, the splintalf is an alfisol, that is your alf, under aquatic moisture regime, okay, and has plinthic horizon. Okay? Okay. So, ayan. It can also be kasi, ayan, arrangement and degree of expression of horizon. Okay? So, usually, dito, you will be using keys. Okay? Keys to soil profile. So, have you tried mag-keys ng insect? It's the same system, no? Sa insect, di ba, uunahin mo yung order, pababa ka ng pababa sa species. So, ganun din dito, uunahin mo rin yung soil order, bababa ka sa grade group, okay? Ganun. So, parang, okay, pumasok, alfisol. Next, characteristic na dapat mong tignan. Oh, may mga category. Ganon. Go to page 173. Okay? Mga ganon. Next, subgroup. Okay? So, order, suborder, grade group, and then subgroup. Ito, medyo mas madali ito. So, division of the grade group. So, criteria for differentiating groups, subgroups are presence of diagnostic features. Pwede yan. Properties that are subordinate to those used in differentiating grade groups. Pwede yan. Properties that tends toward other grade groups. Pwede din yan. Okay? The subgroup name is derived from great group to which an adjective is attached indicating the major property of subgroup. Okay? So let's say calcic, ayan. Ibig sabihin, no, meron siyang calcic diagnostic horizon, no? Calcic rod serals. Okay? So calcic, that is your subgroup. Raw, rod, okay? That is your great group. Ser, that is your suborder. Alf is your order. So calcic horizon, yan, calcic is equal to calcic horizon. Rod meaning to say red yung color niya. Okay? So kahit na red in color siya, mataas yung calcium content niya, no? So ser, seric moisture, alf is alfisol. Now the meaning of this calcic rod seral is calcic red colored alfisol having a calcic horizon, okay, under seric moisture regime. Parang ito kasi yung special part niya. Okay? Bakit? No? Kasi nga kung titignan rod siya, red color siya, how come na magkakaroon ka ng calcic horizon? Okay? No? It is one of the distinguishing property of the soil. Okay? Ayan, subgroup. Huh? Okay, another subgroup, no? Ayan. So it can be also typical, extra grade, or intragrade. When you say typical, no special feature. Walang special feature yung inyong soil profile. So therefore, ang subgroup niya is typic. Okay? Typic candidates. Okay? So meaning to say, that is an ultisol found in eudic moisture region with candic horizon. Okay? And then we have your extra grade. So these are your features not present among soil order. Parang yung kanina, yung calcic rod seral. No? So yung calcic is not a feature na ginagamit to distinguish an order. No? Wala namang sa 12 orders na nabanggit kapag may calcic horizon, wala namang calsosol. Okay? Parang papunta na sa kalyo yun. Okay? Wala namang ganong order, di ba? Okay? So, ayan, calcic tropaquep. So, meaning to say that this soil, okay, that is an Inceptisol, okay, found in aqueous moisture region in the tropical region, okay, that has calcic horizon. Okay? So, that is how you translate the name. And then we have your intragrade. So, features that shares a trait of a certain order. Okay? So, yung intragrade, ito yung hindi naman siya, let's say, hindi naman siya aridisol. Okay? Pero yung moisture regime niya ay nagre-range doon sa aridisol. Okay? Yun yung akala mo siya na hindi pala. Okay? Yun yung, tawag dito, meron kang nakikita na property ng ibang order. Okay? Okay. So, example of this is vertic, okay, UD salmon. So, pag intragrade guys, ang gagawin lang doon, yan, lalagay ka lang ng IC. So, pag ang intragrade niya is Aridisol, yung nakahawig niya, pero hindi naman siya Aridisol. So, ang ilalagay niyong subgroup doon ay Aridic. Okay? So, yon. So, ibig sabihin nito, no? Vertic UD salmon. So, that is an Entisol, okay? That has high amounts of sand found in eudic moisture regime that has a property, okay, or a trait of a vertisol, okay? Or to be more specific, okay, it has cracking clay behavior. Ayan. Vertic UD salmon. Okay, kaya pa ba? Guys, subgroup pa lang, meron pa tayong family. So, ito yung marami. Okay? Kumbaga, sa pangalan ng tao, Instead na isa lang yung pangalan, ito yung second name, third name, fourth name mo. Okay. So, this is a user-oriented category. So, thus the criteria for separation are soil properties, okay, that influence response, okay, to soil management and manipulation. This includes particle size distribution, mineralogy, temperature regime, thickness, cation exchange capacity, presence of cutans, presence of vertic property, a few and other definitive soil properties. So example, we have here clayey calcic rodseral. Okay. So meaning you have a calcic rodseral with clayey soil texture. Usually, ito na yung nasa A horizon, no? Yung yung soil properties na gagamitin mo, yung nasa A horizon, hindi yung nasa B, hindi yung nasa C, but rather yung nasa A. Okay? So may mas complicated pa diyan. Okay, pero this is one of the simplest na family. It can pwede pa yang humaba. Okay? So we'll have an example later, no? So series, it is a subdivision of the soil family and more user-oriented class than family. So separation of family into series involves more detailed properties of the soil profile. So series is given name after the place where it was first encountered. Okay, kung saan siya unang dinescribe and na-encounter. For example, Ibadan series, Iwo, Apumo, yan, Maligaya. So yan, mga lugarihang mga yan. Okay? Bakit wala yung example ng soil series? Baka dito. Okay, wala. Okay? So, example would be Maligaya series, isohyperthermic, ilitic, clayey soil, yung family kasi guys, pwede siyang humaba. Let's say temperature regime, pwede mong ilagay yung isohyperthermic. Okay? So if this clay calcic rodseral is isohyperthermic, okay, pwede mong ilagay. Tapos yung mineralogy ng A horizon, let's say marami siyang Montmorillonite. So pwede ang maging pangalan niyan ay mas mahaba pa. Pwedeng maging Montmorillonitic isohyperthermic clay calcic rodseral. Okay? And yung contribution ng family doon is yung tatlo. So the Montmorillonitic, isohyperthermic, and yung clay. Yun ay family. Okay? So basta nakakita kayo ng particle size distribution, mineralogy, okay, temperature regimes na una, okay? So more likely that is family category. No, ito yung magpapahaba talaga. So pwede kasing ilagay ng taxonomist no lahat. Okay? Pero for the sake na hindi na mahirapan mag-pronounce and magbasa ang isa, no? Yung sa Pilipinas, tinatanggal na yung isohyperthermic kasi given naman na lahat ng soil na nandito ay isohyperthermic. So minsan, ang makikita na lang is yung mineralogy and yung particle size distribution. So it can be just Montmorillonitic clay calcic rodseral or ayun, gano'n. Ilitic. So pag may nakita kayong mixed clay calcic rodseral, nakita nyo yung word na mix, ibig sabihin, yung mineralogy niya ay walang nagdo-dominate na Montmorillonite, elite, okay? Pero maganda yung distribution pag ganun. Mixed clay calcic rodseral, okay? Mixed isohyperthermic, ilitic, ganun.